Hi guys, so this is just a short video introducing this new series that I will do. I will call it What the Fudge is JavaScript because of you guys know all that moment you have when you're learning something new and you see something that you don't know and you're like, okay, what the fudge is this? It's like you never seen it before and you have to look it up. So it's that moment that we have when we encounter something we never encountered before, and then we have to like research it and learn about it. So basically this series is not gonna have structure. You won't have basic videos first and then more advanced videos later. It will happen, you could get like an advanced video, a more advanced video, or and then more basic one depending on what things I feel I need to explain for the other series that I have. I have a series where I'm solving lead code challenges or code wars challenges, and I feel like it would be nice to have a series where I can explain methods that I use during those videos, so I can link you guys to them in case you don't know how to use them. So basically, before posting any of the videos in the series where I solve challenges or maybe do a project, I will first record videos that try to go over all the methods used in there, and that way I can link you to them in case you don't know how to use them. So yeah, this is just a short explanation of what this series is gonna be about, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it and learn a lot.